Hey, welcome to Taf Dalaba. We are here to tour another 3-bedroom house. This one is beautiful, spacious. Oh my gosh, it's amazing, guys. Just stay, you don't want to miss this view. You don't know how we do it. Feet on the ground, working and letting it work.
All right, let's go. So first, let's start with outside, Jody.
Okay, no. Alright guys, so right where I am situated is the driveway. Yeah, it's the driveway. So we're gonna be taking a walk from the driveway into the veranda and then straight into the house, right? Alright, let's
go. So guess what? What I like about this place is when you walk through the gate here,
yes,
you come inside, you can just feel that sense of
calmness,
tranquil.
Right.
I think it's maybe because of this thing here.
The
like
trees,
the trees.
the plants, yes, it's beautiful. Look at the cactus, you know, and I like look. Oh my gosh, look at this. Some effort in the design, the outdoor landscaping, you would call it.
Yes.
Okay.
And I have to say, this is the first house that we've been to where it's like maintained, well kept.
To an extent, to be honest, absolutely.
Wait, what the hell is this? This is nice.
Some plants, of course. Alright guys, so let's take a walk inside.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow, home is where the heart is, guys. Imagine that. Welcome. Welcome home.
Alright, thank you very much.
Alright guys, so we're entering, and as you can see, this is a strong door.
Door looks wait, it's also cash powered, guys, so you see the iron and stuff. I actually like they put this little box here to hide it. Sometimes it's exposed, so I like that. Yeah.
Let's go in. Okay guys, so we've entered the living room. As you can see, we have furniture already in, a nice beautiful sofa, and I like that it's colorful. You can see the different colors popping out, and it's matching back with the theme of the whole with the curtains, the wall color, you know, the golden mirrors. Guys, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Look now, to my right is gonna be the master bedroom. You sure you want to see inside there? All right, let's go. Let's go. We are in the master bedroom, guys. It's big. I really like the space. I like that we have this nice furniture here. It's up to the standard of what a lot of persons are actually looking for, you know, with your bedside tables, matching with the bed and the whole lamps on the bedside table there. You can stay in bed all day if you want and watch TV. You have a swivel TV.
Yeah, me, I like it. It's very nice.
Yeah, and it's AC powered, guys. You have this open space here. I mean, the windows big enough to let in some natural light, and some matching wardrobe right here. Now I love this wardrobe because I can fold up my clothes nicely. Then pop out of my suitcase kind of vibe and have your clothes hanging. Yeah. Also have some drawers here.
It's not jar. It's not
what we call
just.
them in Jamaica, drawers.
It's a chest jar, they call it.
Yeah, it's a drawers. Okay,
Where you
and
put
you have
clothes.
the matching mirror here.
Yeah, what I like about this room is it's big.
Yeah.
And also I love the colors. I love the matte.
Yes,
it's very nice.
I love the matte. It's blending in well, and I love that the matte has these colors because you can use the colors from the matte to like dress the room how you wish. Also have some. Okay, I guess this is a shoes rack, guys.
It's a shoes rack? I've never seen a shoes rack. Wow.
Hold on.
In the Gambia.
Yeah.
Watch out when you know.
You just strap your shoes, I guess.
What? Listen, I'm gonna rent this house there.
Okay, let's take a look at the bathroom.
You're going to leave the shoes.
No, I'm not leaving my shoes. Alright, let's go. Now we have a spacious bathroom. It has a shower
guard. I call it shower guard.
and a shower guard. So So you will get all the bathroom wet. You got me?
You don't.
Okay.
No, you will. You won't.
You won't get all the bathroom wet. Just the area
where you need for shower, which I like. And you have love that. And I like that you have these trays.
Right, to put your soaps and shampoos and.
If I may be honest, I said it earlier, but this house is like one of the best houses that we've toured in terms of quality.
Yeah, for real. Even in the Taf community.
Yeah.
And this is beautiful as well. You can pack your stuff in there that you don't want to be seen out.
I don't know what that thing these days.
I think this is. No, it's not for food, guys.
I was thinking it's a pantry.
Anyways, you know, I guess it's just to add your little medicinal stuff in there, like your painkillers for those who keep them medicinal.
Our extra tissue, soap.
Right.
And it have water heater as well.
I like that the window is kind of out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the toilet is like right here.
That is true.
Yeah. So guys, me, I love to have baths, but I could make do with the shower as well.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only thing I see.
Alright.
Yeah.
What other thing you're expecting to
see?
See?
I love that when you're exiting the room here, you're looking directly at the two mirror and the flat screen there. Okay. I like the way that the entertainment system is set. You can just go outside if you want.
Alright.
Yeah, it's nice.
So coupled with the living area or the living quarters is where you will have the dining room.
Don't watch a mess, guys. These things wouldn't be moved.
Yes, so pardon the mess. Yes, so we're here at a nice dining table. So you know, if you're here with your big family, it's 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom. It's possible to accommodate your big family. The one thing I would have appreciated with this space is that the kitchen area
was open.
Open to it, but I think this is a room.
The kitchen is here. I was actually
here. So basically, let's take a walk into
you would be cutting a door directly to the room.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Alright, so the kitchen is here. It's not small, but I like that the space is free.
Yeah.
You can have your fridge right there. The only thing that it doesn't have in this section is a stove.
That is true.
And I think that is something that is workable as well.
I think it's going there somewhere.
Possible it goes here.
Yeah.
Alright. I like the whole vibe that I'm seeing with the kitchen.
Yeah, actually the stove go here because there's the smoke thing to take the smoke out.
Oh yes, absolutely.
The cupboards are nice too.
So as you can see, this was possibly rented before, so don't mind the mess.
Yeah, it's not messy. It's actually very nice, to be quite honest. It's clean.
Right. The tiles.
Yeah, I love the tiles.
I love the tone.
You see, it even blending back with you. It's like the house was made for you somehow. I don't know that.
I love these tiles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There and the floor tile is
neutral.
Consistent as well.
Right.
Yeah, it's neutral tone.
It's neutral. Alright, so we are in the hallway, you would call this now. And right beside the kitchen is a bathroom, sorry, I guess bathroom. So let's go to the guest bathroom. Okay, so the guest bathroom only has a face basin and a toilet. Some people would probably call it a vanity, but it doesn't have much for the vanity right now because, you know, those makeup stuff, you would need the mirror. So guys, aside from the guest bathroom here, we have a bedroom right here.
I like.
And I love. To be honest, I appreciate these furnitures more than the ones in the master bedroom. To be honest,
you like these better?
Yes, I do love because they're more of a natural tone to me than the other one.
Yes, that is true. It's nice. I love the artwork. I think this is locally made somehow.
Possibly this is locally made.
It's very nice.
Yes. So we have the matching set. So it's like a matching bedroom set. Yeah, that's nice double bed, small closet, and you have a little chest drawer and the bedside table.
I think this room was designed for a female somehow.
I suppose the female's name was Fatu or Fatma or something because it's F. You know, fancy that.
Plus it has AC.
Oh yes.
And I didn't look at the roof as much, but it has fans as well.
To be honest with you guys, I love a roof like this.
Yeah.
Yes, I appreciate it more. To me, it's easier to clean because it don't have too much things going on in it. So.
And also, I love that the roof is high, like the distance from the floor.
Yeah.
That means the rooms are extremely cool.
Okay. And then we are here into a smaller bathroom, but it's still workable. This would be the shower area, of course. And I like that these tiles are here in this bathroom too.
Yeah.
So you're seeing they're keeping the theme in the entire space.
Shout out to the designer, whoever it was.
And here's a toilet.
And a face basin in the corner there.
Yeah, it's a bit tight, but
yeah, it's very
you can
tight.
make it work.
Have water heater as well.
Yeah.
Same storage units. It's nice. It's okay. It's workable.
Yeah, it's workable, guys. To be honest. Especially if you're renting. I mean, if it is that you're not gonna be renting forever, then you know you can make do with some stuff.
Forever. The house is available there.
Alright, so here's another bedroom. And it has similar furniture to the one that the previous one that we just saw.
That's over there.
Yeah, so this is the third bedroom.
Yeah.
And what I love about this bedroom as well is that it has a bathroom that is similar to the one in the master.
Yeah.
Because it has a bigger space and it has a shower.
Alright, so you're gonna shower me soon, come.
Yeah. Go with it.
Yo.
Alright, so the master bathroom and this bathroom I appreciate more than the second bedroom bathroom that we saw. But it's beautiful. I mean the third bathroom that we saw.
The third one.
The second one was the guest.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But it's nice.
Guys, so it has AC in like all the rooms, right?
All the rooms and fans.
AC in all the rooms, fans in all the rooms. Water heater in all the bathrooms,
Yes.
except this one, I believe.
Yes.
The guest one.
The guest one don't have that, yes.
Right.
And this room is
And
nice.
yeah, so the rooms are more secluded, guys, because you don't walk straight into it. You get what I mean? You walk straight into the living room.
That is true. Let's go back there and then go outside.
Alright.
Because outside we haven't finished the tour yet. So the living room, guys, is here. And so it's nice, trust me, it's very nice. You just need to move around stuff.
Guys,
But yeah.
I must say I appreciate the effort that the house owner has taken or the designer has taken to set up this space for someone who wants to rent it. You know, it's really welcoming.
That's true.
You know, more than what we've seen before. You know, this is one of those houses that we appreciate.
Yeah, shout out to them.
Yeah.
Alright,
Let's take a tour around
outside.
Epi, you would rent this house, wouldn't you?
Definitely, I would rent it right now. There, Yangi nice. Yo, I love the gardening, like the whole garden. Trust me, guys, come in and let us know what you think about this.
The one thing I would do though, AP, if this was my space, I would just leave all of this for gardening, my vegetable garden.
Yeah, what you said though?
All of yourself, I would just be my vegetable.
It could
garden.
work.
Yeah.
And the house is kept
And
clean,
you know
guys.
why?
Wow.
I would be walking straight out of the
kitchen
right
into your garden. Yeah, so the kitchen is here. Alright guys, so it also have two boys quarter around here. Wait, first, this area.
This area, guys, is the wash area.
Is the wash area, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where you do all your laundry.
Oh, what? You can bend your butt there.
Yeah, I mean I learn. And the Gambian sister them teach me how to do it.
Oh.
You know, when we in Jamaica, we used to this.
Yeah, this stand up thing. Africa, you have to bend your back.
Some places in the country area of Jamaica, they will bend down and do it.
Anyways.
Anyways.
So guys, this is a boys' quarters out here.
Yeah, this is the boys' quarters, and we have an outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, there's an outdoor kitchen here, guys, which is dope. It needs cleaning up, guys. Remember,
it needs work.
Somebody was renting here, so.
And the security person is here as well, living in the boys' quarters. But
so nice small kitchen here, and it also have like a fridge to store stuff. I think it's nice. Yeah.
So this would be one bedroom.
Yes.
And
this is a one bedroom here.
Yeah, and this also would be one bedroom.
Another bedroom.
And this bathroom would be shared between both
the one
bedrooms.
place. It's very nice.
Yeah.
if I was having this house, you know, I'm thinking of revenue. So yeah.
I know, right?
Hey, this is an avocado tree.
Yes, it is. And we just passed a guava tree in that front lawn.
And banana
so this is
there.
the back section. This is where you get all the garbage. This is supposedly, guys, to be where you hang your laundry. But for me, it's a bit too tight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but still,
But-
it doesn't rub from the overall quality of the house.
Exactly.
Yeah, I like it.
I would put it here instead.
Yeah, maybe here would have
Like,
been nice.
See, the sun is shining. This is where the light should be on the clothes.
Yes,
Okay.
but I
Good
like it.
idea.
I like it though. It's
Yeah,
good.
it's nice.
Yeah, so we're at the end of the tour.
Yes, and I'm excited.
Mhm.
AP, you love this house, yeah?
Yo, me love it. I'm extremely, extremely in love with it. It's nice.
Me, I do, and I think the furnishing is what even bring it up for me.
Mhm.
But guys, as AP said, we've come to the end of the tour. This house right now is going for 400,000 Dalasis. The rent that
Of
is
what?
is going for 400,000 Dalasis.
Mhm.
And guys, you would definitely want to rent this space.
I would recommend it.
Because it's one of the best that we've seen thus far. The walls are clean.
Clean. That's it. Clean.
You understand? The design is simple but elegant. You can see the beauty in it.
Free Wi-Fi.
We have free Wi-Fi. As I said earlier, there's AC in every room.
Less than 10
Yes.
minutes drive to Gambia.
That's right, AP, and it's close to Sakuta.
Right near the highway.
Yeah.
Access to transportation is easy. You just walk out there. You can
Exactly.
go where you need to go fast.
That's right.
Yes.
So if you are looking to rent a house, a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom house,
This is
in
it.
Taf Dalaba, this is a possible place for you to rent.
Yeah. So guys, make sure to subscribe and make sure to stick with us, guys. This is just the beginning of it, and you don't know, we're out here, feet on the ground.
And working and letting it work.
All right, let's go.